What is up, guys? Joe here, back with another video. Today I wanted to cover the WAX blockchain, which is the biggest blockchain for collecting NFTs, playing video games, and NFT collectibles. WAX just announced a $10 million NFT drop for the first 10 million wallets that are created under its blockchain. So to celebrate this achievement, WAX is airdropping up to 10 million unique NFTs into these wallets on a first come first served basis. WAX has a ton of partnerships under its wing, including Atari, Mattel, Hasbro, AMC Theaters, and Sony. So today I wanted to cover what WAX blockchain is, some of its history, how to sign up for a free wallet and receive a free NFT drop, and finally why I'm so bullish on the WAX token. So with that being said, let's get started. So here's a tweet made by WAX blockchain. They're billing it as the largest NFT drop in blockchain history. With 10 million WAX blockchain accounts, they are airdropping 10 million unique NFTs. And if we look at what those NFTs are, the first million will receive the pin number 1, which is a WAX mainnet launch. The following 2 million accounts would receive the Simple Assets NFT standard. The following 3 million would receive the WAX All Access pin. 4 million would receive the Atomic Assets NFT standard pin. 5 million would receive the WAX Cloud wallet launch. 6 million would receive the WAX DeFi and tokenomics pin. 7 million would receive the CO2 certificate pin. 8 million would receive the emergence of play to earn pin. 9 million would receive the 3 huge toy and collectible companies pin. And finally, the last 10 million would receive the Cinema Spotlight pin. So you're probably wondering, what is the WAX blockchain? WAX, also known as Worldwide Asset Exchange, is an environmentally friendly blockchain purpose-built for e-commerce through dApps, NFTs, gaming, virtual worlds, and unique collectibles. On the WAX blockchain, creators and brands can easily build, launch, and distribute NFTs to a global user base. The WAX ecosystem makes it easier for creators and collectors to participate in its digital economy. Brands that have launched NFTs on WAX include Topps, Capcom, Atari, Funko, Lionsgate, and many more. WAX also has released official NFT collections for individual films such as The Princess Bride and Saw, and entertainers such as William Shatner, Deadmau5, and Weezer. And whether you're a Fortune 500 company or a smaller developer, the WAX blockchain developer hive is the all-in-one platform to start building on WAX. Featuring powerful APIs and smart contract quick start, these tools make it easy for developers to launch on their own NFT marketplaces and reach a massive global audience. WAX uses a delegated proof-of-stake consensus mechanism in which token holders vote on delegates that act as validators for new blocks. Token holders may delegate their tokens to someone else, giving them the power to validate transactions on the network. DPoS is a modified version of the traditional proof-of-stake model, making it more democratic by allowing anyone to delegate their coins. Furthermore, voting power is weighted on a proportional scale relative to the number of tokens staked. With DPoS, a delegate validates a block that is then confirmed by other delegates in the network. The transaction is approved and consensus is reached within seconds, allowing all participants to earn their staking rewards. As a certified carbon neutral blockchain, WAX leaves a smaller environmental impact than other blockchains. Besides having an energy efficient consensus mechanism, WAX is also slashing emissions with their digital storage of physical items through their virtual and real life NFT marketplace. VIRL NFTs are virtual in real life items that users can buy, sell, trade, or redeem for physical collectibles. Each item can be traded many times digitally, but only redeemed once in the physical world. This helps the network to cut down on environmental waste, since items can change multiple times virtually before ever involving shipping and logistics. WAX was designed from the beginning to be incredibly energy efficient, said WAX co-founder William E. Quigley. That is why WAX NFTs use a tiny fraction of the energy of Ethereum and Bitcoin. In fact, WAX is 125,000 times more energy efficient than Ethereum, and WAX is already carbon neutral. Here are some quick facts about WAX. There's over 15 million daily transactions, 6 million user accounts, 30,000 dApps, 60 million unique NFT assets, and 3.77 billion total WAXP token supply. So where to buy the WAXP token? You can actually buy it within their WAX Cloud wallet with a credit card, or it's also available on the Crypto.com app within the United States, and also the Gemini app within the United States. And looking at the price action on the WAXP token, it's currently at 32 cents per coin. And if we look at the 1 year chart, it was trending at around 4 cents. and it's been trading sideways, slightly bullish for the last couple of months. And it did hit an all-time high of 93 cents back in November of 2021. And it is currently trending downward a bit, but I am super bullish on this coin. I do think there's a lot of potential ahead of them, and it could easily revisit the 93 cent price point and beyond. It could easily push up to $3, $5, even $10. So with that being said, let's go ahead and sign up for the free Wax wallet account and receive our free NFT. And we go back to their homepage, which is wax.io. On the homepage, we click on Get Started and click on Wax Cloud Wallet. And from here, it's going to ask you to go ahead and create an account. Go ahead and scroll over and click on Sign Up for Account. From here, go ahead and enter your email and choose a password. And they're going to send you a confirmation email. Go ahead and confirm via your email. Once you've confirmed your email, go ahead and log in and accept their terms and conditions. Great, and that's it. This is the home page. This is your dashboard where you can see any of the dApps available on the blockchain, some of the tokens available to you. As you can see, I have a balance of 0. I haven't loaded or bought any Wax token yet. And you can click on NFTs, and here is where you would see your collection of NFTs if you were to buy any within the ecosystem. And you can even stake the native Wax token within this wallet, which is amazing. You can earn staking rewards just for holding the token. And that's it. To receive your free NFT, the company will be rolling out this airdrop in the coming weeks, so you just have to be patient and wait. You don't have to do anything else. They will be automatically sent to you. There is no sweepstakes to enter or any drawing necessary. And lastly, if you wanted to buy Wax P token within their wallet, you would just click up here on the top left link, and you can link your bank or checking account, or even link one of your pre-existing brokers like Crypto.com or KuCoin. And there you have it. I'm super bullish on the Wax blockchain and their native Wax token. They have a great product with amazing partnerships and very easy to use features. I highly recommend this token to anyone who's getting into the NFT space or the digital collectible space. The upcoming months is going to be an amazing time for this company. So let me know what you think about Wax P. Are you a fan? Do you like some of their partnerships? Let me know in the comment section. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.